Hi everyone, we're somewhere in Stanford. I'm lost. Big corner. Nice places. Full of farms and farmhouses. The wind, it's really strong. It's a lovely place. Oh, I've just seen a road that I could have taken home. I'm going to see if I can turn around. Should I or should I not? I'll just keep going. Wow. The wind blows it left and right. I've got my nephew on the back. He's 16. Bit of a bend. I'll record this bit of road. Wow, bumpy. I wasn't sure what was ahead there. Wow, muddy. Right, well, wow, the wind nearly blew us to the left. Okay, now you see what I'm going through here. I'm going to switch the camera off now so I can concentrate. Bye everyone.